Music is not just a background thing like everyone thinks. It's the feeling. People believe that music sits behind the video, but that's not true. Music is the video. When I edit, I don't think about the story. The song tell it itself. Every time I create something, I don't just see the clips. I feel the sound and my imagination starts running. I love how music can change my mood, how it takes me into another dimension where I can think freely. I don't edit just for smooth animations. I edit how the viewer feels. And yeah, sometimes I don't get views because of my imagination and mental state don't always match the audience. But when it does, you know what happens. That's why music it's not just a 10% of your video, it's 50%. People won't remember your edit, they'll remember how the song made them feel.